Hello everyone. Today we will be discussing tokenized assets and the benefits they offer. Tokenized assets are based on blockchain technology, just like digital currencies such as Bitcoin, Tether, or Ethereum. But with tokenization, the value and rights of assets can be linked to digital tokens that can be bought, sold, and traded on different blockchains. This concept of tokenization is changing the way assets are being managed and making the whole process more efficient and secure. There are two groups of assets that can be tokenized. First, real-world assets such as property still exist outside the blockchain and require a custodian to ensure the tokens are backed by the real-world counterparts. These tokens can be bought, sold and traded just like digital currencies, but the underlying asset still remains in the physical world. On the other hand, native assets such as digital currencies exist on the blockchain and represent their own value through their design and existence on the blockchain. The management of these assets is transparently documented in a distributed blockchain network, without any need for external custodians. The benefits of asset tokenization are many. It can provide several benefits for companies, investors, and financial institutions. Firstly, the highly automated token issuance and management process, combined with a high transaction speed, can reduce investment costs, making it easier for small investors in developing countries to access investment opportunities. This can be a game changer in countries where it is difficult for the average person to invest in equities or real estate. Tokenization of equities would also allow retail investors to buy newly issued shares in the primary market and directly invest in publicly traded shares in the secondary market. This eliminates the need for intermediaries, such as stock exchanges, reducing the investment costs and providing better access to the financial markets. Furthermore, tokenization could be used in highly illiquid markets that require diversified investments into a single asset like private equity. Tokenization allows fractionalization of ownership for illiquid assets, helping retail investors to gain access to new asset classes. Asset tokenization may also benefit financial markets in general. The transaction history of tokenized assets is transparently and securely recorded on the blockchain. The security of a distributed blockchain network does not depend on a single point of failure, making it more secure and resilient. Additionally, the immutability of the record of tokenized assets and the use of cryptography improves the security and resilience of the infrastructure. This makes it easier for market participants and regulators to automatically audit the assets and track their past ownership, reducing the market complexity. However, there are also challenges in the current token ecosystem. Firstly, there are technological hurdles for the broad adoption of tokenization. The current blockchains need to scale efficiently to handle the high volume of data and transactions, and the existing systems need to interoperate securely. Secondly, the tokenization business ecosystem is still in an early stage of development, and there is a demand for experienced technical and custodial partners, which are not yet met. Finally, the main implementation hurdle for the adoption of tokenization is the lack of widely accepted and sophisticated regulation for real-world assets. Disputes over property rights, such as responsibility for asset storage, maintenance, and security, are particularly problematic and require some form of centralization, which goes against the design of current blockchains that are typically organized as a distributed network. In conclusion, asset tokenization is still in its early stages of development. While we see the advantages of transparency and efficiency of tokenized assets, we still have high risks and uncertainty due to the lack of globally accepted regulatory standards. However, with the advancement of technology and the growing demand for more efficient and secure financial systems, we can expect to see more widespread adoption of tokenization in the future. Thank you for watching.